New dawn rises, the pound at the door. You wonder if you got to dream or just drown in your thoughts. Wishing last night provided space to lay you to rest. Now you struggle just to rise from the weight on your chest. Restless nights, so you rest less, right? As stress gets the best of your excess pride, you try to clear your thoughts. Another message displays on the screen that'll drag you back, affecting your brain. Now you're facing the day feeling less than patient, with the fakeness to live up to expectations. Wanna run from the problems, but unless you face it, it'll drag you down deeper, so you best embrace it. So imagine how it feels to remove that mask, rediscovering the passion to redo that task, picking up all the pieces to rebuild that heart. Imagine all the obstacles move to renew that path. It's like now you see me and now you don't disappear through the crowd with a cloud of smoke. If I never bothered showing up, would anybody care? I just wanna know you notice if I wasn't there. Now you see me and now you don't disappear through the crowd with a cloud of smoke. Don't give up on me, I won't give up on you. My mother told me I'm a fighter, that's what I'm gonna do. What I'm gonna do, and I won't lose. My mother told me I'm a fighter, that's what I'm gonna do. What I'm gonna do, and I won't lose. My mother told me I'm a fighter, that's what I'm gonna do. What I'm gonna do, and I won't lose. My mother told me I'm a fighter, that's what I'm gonna do. What I'm gonna do, and I won't lose. My mother told me I'm a fighter, that's what I'm gonna do. Swallow pride on a daily to be facing your goals. Play the roles they provided, but it's taking a toll. All the sacrifices made to be placed in a mold, but when you feel alone in the crowd, it's breaking your soul. Man, the weight's getting heavy and you're seeking to let it go. Running for a while as you reach for each stepping stone. It's hard to breathe when you're deep in depression's holding. Everybody questions your progression with goals. When it's cold and heavy, getting harder to breathe. It's difficult to stay, but even harder to leave. And there's not a single other place that you won't go when there ain't a single type of pain that you don't know. And now imagine digging deep to give it one last chance, peering from the shadows just for one last glance, reaching from the edge just for one last hand that'll lead you back to light just for one last dance. What I'm gonna do, and I won't lose. My mother told me I'm a fighter, that's what I'm gonna do. What I'm gonna do, and I won't lose. My mother told me I'm a fighter, that's what I'm gonna do. What I'm gonna do, and I won't lose. My mother told me I'm a fighter, that's what I'm gonna do. What I'm gonna do, and I won't lose. My mother told me I'm a fighter, that's what I'm gonna do.